What? Where you just like? All right, so here I am again. The eye of the storm is now very close to where we are now. Luckily, it's passing over the other way, so we're not getting much of the wind on this side of the building. I'm not sure if it can be seen, the wind is actually pushing around it. So I'm pretty sure we're fine where we are. There won't be any chance of blowing out windows on this side of it. So yeah, this is where it all comes down to. This is where the adventure has led to. This is where we're going into the eye of the storm. Even though that's not what we intended, we were trying to get away from this thing. Lauren's out here filming too, by the way.
Yeah, stop telling stuff that's helping. Trying to get the sound.
The thing is, one of the major problems here is that the power's been browning out a little bit. I'm not really sure if power's going to hold when this thing passes over completely. But
Stop talking to a little bit.
oh, what time is it right now? I think it's almost midnight. Oh, look at that. Oh, here it comes. Okay, I think the owl is just about to pass over right now.
Come on. Andrew. Jordan. Be careful what the road.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. I think it's like right about right here now.
So the
hope is, as it is moving its way up through now a portion of our viewing area, that we would in fact be still dealing with winds in that 80-mile-per-hour range, which is kind of what we've been dealing with.
Yep, this is what's happening now. We went out of our way to get away from it, and now
very good to see. So watching again, we can see it moving to the north.
That is where it's coming. Where are we again, Lauren? Right here? Or yeah.
And kind of like, I guess, a receiver.
It's coming right now.